Opposition's job is to save democracy, and I put it to you that more often than saving democracy, the opposition is actually putting democracy more in danger. You want me to give two examples? I will give. What hurts democracy more? What puts democracy in most danger? It is when the governments and the states start working for the unelected. And how does that happen? When the corporate interests take preference over the citizens' interest. And I'll give you an example. The High Court in 2015 convicted the BJP, not castigated, convicted the BJP for taking illegal donations violating the FCRA. The punishment for that was imprisonment of the BJP head. What happened? The next day on the floor of the parliament, the BJP amended the FCRA Act going back retrospectively to the age of the emergency. Now in a civilized country, Padma, just give me 30 seconds. If this has happened, what do you think the opposition would have done? It would have come on to the street. It would have blocked the parliament. It would have demanded resignation from Prime Minister down to everyone else. Did you see any of that happen? No. You know why? Because the High Court had also convicted the Congress. The BJP could amend the FCRA and render the High Court judgment toothless because the Congress supported in amending the FCRA. This is the way they will save democracy. My foot.